Okay, so that power's on, and it comes over here to my power strip, which is feeding my battery chargers and my little fridge, and they're on, and it's all running off of solar. It's mounted up on the roof, and then it runs down here and through my cables here. I got to get a couple more of these ties, anchor it down through my hoses, down, and I need a tie right here, keep it up off of this lip, and it goes down, and into the abyss down there. And from there, kind of hard to do this with a phone and crawl in here. It comes back here and it goes to my Outback charge controller, which currently, I don't know if I can read this on there or not. I can't see it, so hopefully we can on the video. So, at any rate, last time I checked it with a light, it wasn't even charging batteries. I got these big 8D batteries here. These are the two that came with the bus, and I was able to get them to take a good charge. My Trace power inverter, this is a 4,000 watt, 115 volt, 48 DC input power inverter. It's also grid tie. And I've got it plugged into my precarious, hairy looking breaker panel over there. Don't worry, everything that's plugged in is okay. But that has been powering for the last couple of minutes, probably close to 10 honestly. Back here to it. Running that off of solar. Kinda. I'm running it off of stored battery power. But the solar's gonna replenish it, so pretty excited. I got it all hooked up.